Excel ribbon and their commands. In validation, we can restrict the length of the test allowed in a column. For example, I am giving the test length, data validation. I already given the test length, allow test length, data between, and minimum of the test 0 and the maximum 50. Now I am giving a test, it is supported. Then I am giving a long test, it is not supported. Next one, custom validation. We can create our own custom rules in validation using custom. Example, select the area, data validation, cell custom. Already given this formula which restrict the number of tests enter into the rows. I am typing here, second one I am typing here, third one I am typing here, and fourth one I am typing here. This error is coming and the error showing only 3 rows of data supported. In this area, only 3 rows are supported for entering the test. Another example for custom. Another example for custom rules. Data validation. Here already I given allow custom, and in formula we can say a formula is given. This formula showing the cell number H2 to H10 less than or equal to 1 lakh. It means total of the value to enter into this area must be less than 1 lakh. I am deleting this data and I am entering again. Example, 20,000, 40,000, then again 20,000, again 10,000, again a 15,000. It is not supported because it is exceeded to 1 lakh. Here an error come. I will show you how to enter these arrays. Cancel. Data validation. In error alert, it is written. Title total error message. Total not to exceed 1 lakh. Next one, drop down list in validation. List in data validation criteria allows users to make a drop down list and can select an option from a list of choices. Example I am showing you. Data validation in allow list, and in source I got already given some option concerning some colors. Okay, then we can see here the drop down list. I am selecting here red. Another one, Another example, select the area for drop down, data validation. I already given this validation in allow list and in sources. I already given the formula. Here I given the cell reference A50 to A60. Okay, then we can say in drop down list product 1, product 2, product 3. Second one, and A50 to A60 we can see the data. It is already recorded.